What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So you already know what it is that we are going to be checking out in this video. You know what that is Kaleo. So in this video we are going to be checking out Kaleo Hey Gringo. I'm a big fan of Kaleo, you could say, and I really love their music and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So together let's discover this song Hey Gringo. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay. The bass and the drums, dude. What's that hit in the side though?
I've been told that she's good as gold. Yeah, and she'll leave you wanting more. Laying low, but I could see the smoke. Yeah, and I knew it wouldn't be long. Well, I could stay. Whoa, I could stay away long enough to die another day.
Oh yeah?
I could try to get it right. Well, it's gonna keep you alive. Keep you alive.
I want to let you guys know that I pulled out the lyrics because I don't want to miss anything out. You already know that. Anyway, the way he sings it, dude. It has a chill vibe, you know. Let's go. It has a all the pretty girls vibe, you know, the song from the last album from Kaleo, A/B, the song called All the Pretty Girls. It sounds like that, and I like that. Is that a guitar or a trumpet? What is that? Okay.
Don't you go looking for trouble now.
Are you talking to me?
I don't know why I can't let go. That woman's got me her naked show. The mess I know. Hey.
He whistled mid-song, dude. That's crazy.
Gringo. Whoa,
Wait, let me go back.
Got me her naked show. The mess I know. Hey, Gringo. Whoa, you gotta stay out of Mexico. And I say the war. Hey, tranquilo, amigo.
Okay.
I didn't know she was spoken for. Now I'm a lover, not a fighter. It's all well.
Yeah, it's so good, yeah. Oh wait. So that's not JJ Juliusson singing. It's a lady that is singing that part. Am I right? Right? I think that's not his voice. Yeah.
I sold my soul for the sad destruction, rock and roll. Said I sold my soul to a woman in Mexico. A woman in Mexico.
I really like that the thing that's hitting in this side.
Come on. You know how I go.
Who is it singing this part? Who is singing this part? I'm confused now a bit. What a cool song though. What a cool song. It has different vibes. It's I feel like it's softer Kaleo, you know, like in the songs All the Pretty Girls, or maybe Save Yourself, and maybe a mix of with that it's the middle way Kaleo, I feel like. And that's a good mix. I really like that. That's, you know, something you could chill to. But the lyrics say something else. I guess he's searching for a mujer en la Mexico. Am I right? I hope my Spanish is right. Mujer en la Mexico. That means woman in Mexico, right? So the only thing that went into my head when he said, who is smoking something else, was like, is that marijuana? Is that it? Is that what you're smoking? But what a song. What a song. Such a cool vibe song. And I really liked it. I think they used the orchestra or something. So some parts, yeah. And I really liked it. It gave me a very chill vibe. Wow, that's a nice song. I really like his singing. The way I found them was through the Logan trailer. The song Way Down We Go was used in that, and since then I'm a fan of them. Yeah, I could say I'm a fan of them since 2017. Yeah, and they're such a great band. I'm really happy that after like 5 years they released this album, and yeah, the wait is so worthy. So we checked 3 songs so far: Skinny, Free the Slave, and now this Hey Gringo. Yeah, that was really good song. That was really a vibe song. Anyway, that was me reacting to Kaleo, Hey Gringo. Comment down your thoughts on this song, and if you have any more recommendations, other bands, other artists that I should check out, please comment them down in the comment section. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.